Our goal is to let you grow as fast as you can, as big as you can, within reason. That way, the profit will follow over time.
Right.
Because some big companies, let's say Facebook, or let's say Gcash, for you to hit profitability, you need scale. So scale means instead of just attending to one person, you're attending to millions. So VCs come in, yung term that we use is working capital gap.
Okay.
A working capital gap, simply put, if you're a business now just making profit and you want to hit X marks later on, if you were to grow it with no loans, with no investment, it would take you 10, 20 years.
Yeah.
But if you take investments from VCs, it could take you 3 to 5 years. So you're fueling growth at the present value for multiples over time because the market is there. You're capturing market.